So you're a UFC fan and you want to cash in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money off of the upcoming UFC fight. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. If you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and reviewing my favorite products. In this video, I'm going to show you who can actually make commissions from the upcoming UFC 249 and any other UFC. Currently, El Cucuy is fighting Justin Gaethje. It's coming up. This card is absolutely stacked, and obviously the best way to watch it is on ESPN Plus. Now, ESPN Plus has an affiliate program that lets you get a $10 commission for everyone you actually sign up. I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. Now, if you stick with me till the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you how you can build a full-time online business part-time from the comfort of your own home. How to find the best deals, the highest commissions, and how to make it a passive business where you can go and do whatever you want while your business works for you. So stick around to the end and hit the subscribe button if you're into this. So go to plus.espn.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, click on ESPN Plus Partner Program. This page explains the partner program, how we work with our partners, the program benefits, about ESPN Plus, ESPN pricing, the stream at home or on the go apps that you can use, and the frequently asked questions. What you're going to do is go up to it in the upper right corner, become a partner. Click on that. Now on this page is where you're going to complete this application. Enter your name, email address, the username you're going to use, and passwords. Enter your account display name, your website, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, time zone, bank, all that fun stuff. And here, your promotional methods. Your primary method, if you're going for search engine, or you're a blogger, or if you write articles, or you're just a social media influencer. Select your secondary models, if you're going to use loyalty or mobile or content. The primary country that you'll be promoting in, you can add more. Your media properties and a brief description. You'll get a payout of $10 for everyone that signs up. Make sure you read the agreement to stay up on everything you need to know. Submit application. So you'll make $10 for everyone that signs up for the subscription. Now, it's not the most money, but if you're a fan and you know a lot of fans, you can quickly make $100 in a day, or make $100 every time there's a fight coming up if you promote this right. But to do this right, you're going to need training. Now, for free training, all you have to do is follow along. Go to this website. I'll leave a link in the description below to my #1 recommendation. It'll be this page. Enter in your email. You'll be asked to confirm your email. So open up your email, click the link. It'll send you to this page. Here's a quick video, about a minute and a half. Click that button. It'll send you to this training video. It's important that you watch this video to the end. The next thing you can do is click on the video on the screen right now to learn more about affiliate marketing and my #1 recommended video for you to watch next.